Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some cars using our Play-doh on the table. On the table I have 6 Play-doh. Let's count all of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And let's name all the colors so we know what the color of the cars we're going to make. We have purple, orange, gray, blue, pink, and red. Okay, are you guys ready to do with me? Let's do it together. I'm going to remove this from the sling. Alright. First, let's start with the dark blue. Here's your first car, guys. It's dark blue, very cool. Okay, next we're going to use purple. Cool. We have a second car, and he's purple. Next, we're going to use orange Play-doh. Cool, I really like this one. We have an orange car. Very cool. Next we have a gray Play-doh. Oh, I like this one as well. It has the front of the car. Cool. Next we have a red Play-doh. Look at this, guys. We have a red car. Vroom, vroom. Lastly, we have a pink Play-doh. Wow! I don't like this one very much. It's missing the door. But it's okay. There's pink. Okay guys, let's name all the colors of the cars one more time. We have a gray car, a blue car, a red car, a pink car, an orange car, and a purple car. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.